You want to live your best life and become your best self, and for your relationship and your business to be the best it's ever been. You got to ask yourself, what do you say to yourself? Think about this. What do you say to yourself? Do you say that you're a failure? Do you say that nobody loves me? Do you say that you'll never have that relationship with your spouse that you know you desire and want? Do you say things to yourself like your spouse thinks that you're a loser or a failure or an asshole? All of these things that you are telling yourself and saying to yourself, you are growing that type of energy inside of you. And when you get around your spouse, that energy comes out and you show that asshole energy or that lacking energy that they think that you're an asshole or that you're not loved or all these things. And that starts to project onto your spouse. And your spouse will start to think, well, this guy really is an asshole. He's showing up like that. Or maybe he doesn't love me or he doesn't love himself. You got to stop with all the negative energy and the self beat up. All that shit does is perpetuate exactly what you do not want in your life and in your relationship and in your business. Start looking at yourself, start looking at your spouse in a positive light and remove any negativity or negative words completely from your vocabulary and from your thought process. As soon as something comes up that's negative or doesn't align with their values of what you want for your life, relationship, and business, you remove it immediately and replace it with something empowering. Just for example, something that I've told myself in the past, that I'm not a good husband. As soon as I think that in my head that I'm not a good husband, I remove that and I say, I'm the best husband that I possibly can be, and my wife loves me so much. By doing that, you start showing up as that person. You start showing up as that positive person. Don't worry about that you thought that bad thought in the first place. It doesn't matter. That's not going to perpetuate it. What matters is that you catch yourself thinking the negative thought about yourself and you immediately replace it with something positive and move forward with that. And eventually you will only have positive thoughts moving forward. This is a learned skill and it takes time to learn.